Before supercars were digital and performance was filtered by computers, Australia built a coupe with nothing but steel soul and a thunderous V8. And if you think the HQ Monaro GTS 253 was the small one, wait until you hear why this machine is one of the most underrated muscle legends ever built. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you live and breathe classic muscle, handcrafted metal, and machines that carry history in every curve, you're in the right place. Make sure you hit subscribe, because today we're stepping into a moment where Australian performance found its true voice, and it spoke with 8 cylinders, raw torque, and unmistakable presence. This is the 1971 Holden HQ Monaro GTS 253 Coupe, a car that doesn't shout for attention, yet commands it the moment it enters the room. Picture Australia in the early 70s. The roads were wider, the ambitions were bigger, and Holden was preparing to redefine what a performance coupe could be. When the HQ series arrived in July of 1971, it wasn't just a facelift or a mild evolution, it was a ground-up transformation. New proportions, wider tracks, a longer wheelbase, and a level of refinement that pushed Holden into a new era. And standing confidently within that lineup was the Monaro GTS 253 Coupe, elegant, muscular, and unapologetically Australian. The first thing that captures you is the shape. The HQ Monaro Coupe wears its body like a tailored suit. The long bonnet stretches forward with purpose. The roofline flows smoothly into the rear deck, and the pillarless coupe design gives it a clean, uninterrupted profile that feels timeless even today. This wasn't excess for the sake of excess. This was balance. Every line was drawn to suggest motion, even at rest. The twin headlight front end gives the car a focused stare, while the subtle GTS striping and badging let those in the know understand exactly what they're looking at. Step closer and the details begin to reveal themselves. The chrome accents aren't loud, they're deliberate. The stance is wide and confident, planted firmly on the road. This is a car that looks equally at home cruising a coastal highway or sitting under bright showroom lights, reflecting the era when Holden design was at its absolute peak. The HQ Monaro doesn't try to imitate American muscle or European grand tourers. It confidently stands as its own identity. Now lift the bonnet, because this is where the GTS 53 earns its reputation. Nestled in that expansive engine bay is Holden's 253 cubic inch V8, a 4.2-liter powerhouse engineered for real-world performance. While the 308 often steals the headlines, the 253 has always been the gentleman's V8. Smooth, responsive, and beautifully balanced, it delivers its power with confidence rather than aggression. This engine wasn't about drag strip domination, it was about effortless torque, reliability, and that unmistakable V8 character that transforms every drive into an experience. Turn the key and the 253 comes to life with a deep, refined rumble. It's not unruly, it's not chaotic, it's composed. The kind of sound that settles into a confident idle, promising strength without needing to prove it. On the move, the power delivery is smooth and linear, pulling strongly through the rev range while maintaining composure. This was a car built to be driven, not just admired, and Holden engineered it to thrive on Australian roads. Slide inside and you're greeted by an interior that blends performance with comfort in a way few cars of the era managed. The GTS instrumentation immediately sets the tone. Clear, purposeful, and driver-focused. The bucket seats hold you just right, offering support without sacrificing comfort. The center console, the sports steering wheel, the tactile feel of every switch and dial, it all speaks to an era when cars were designed to connect the driver directly to the machine. There's a sense of honesty inside the HQ Monaro GTS 253. No unnecessary gimmicks, no distractions. Everything has a purpose, and everything contributes to the driving experience. You sit low, surrounded by glass, with excellent visibility and a commanding view of that long bonnet stretching out in front of you. This is the kind of cockpit that makes even a simple drive feel special. On the road, the HQ platform truly shines. Holden's improved suspension geometry gave the Monaro a level of stability and ride quality that was a massive step forward. The car feels planted, confident through corners, and remarkably composed at speed. The steering is direct, the chassis predictable, and the overall balance makes it clear that this wasn't just a straight line machine. It was a proper grand touring coupe, capable of covering long distances in comfort while still delivering excitement whenever you asked for it. What makes the 1971 HQ Monaro GTS 253 Coupe truly special is its place in history. This was a transitional moment, a bridge between the raw muscle of the late 60s and the more refined performance cars that would follow. It represents Holden at a time when engineering, design, and identity aligned perfectly. It wasn't trying to be extreme, it was trying to be right, and that's exactly what it achieved. Today, these cars are more than classics. They're cultural artifacts. Survivors of an era when Australian manufacturing stood tall on the world stage, finding a genuine HQ Monaro GTS 253 Coupe now is becoming increasingly rare, and values continue to rise as collectors and enthusiasts recognize their importance. This isn't just an entry-level GTS, it's a cornerstone of the Monaro legacy. Restored examples turn heads wherever they go, while original survivors tell stories through every panel and stitch of trim. Each one carries decades of memories, weekend cruises, family road trips, late night drives with the sound of a V8 echoing through open windows. These cars weren't built to sit behind ropes, they were built to live, to move, and to be part of people's lives. The 1971 Holden HQ Monaro GTS 253 Coupe stands today as a symbol of confidence, craftsmanship, and understated performance. It doesn't need exaggerated wings or outrageous horsepower figures to be respected. Its presence alone is enough. It reminds us that true luxury isn't always about excess. Sometimes it's about balance, authenticity, and soul. If you could step back in time and order a performance coupe built for Australian roads, Australian conditions, and Australian spirit, this would be it. A car that feels just as relevant rolling through modern streets as it did over 50 years ago. A machine that proves real classics don't age, they mature. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of Holden's most iconic creations, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below telling me what Monaro you want to see next. Until next time, keep the passion alive, because legends like the HQ Monaro GTS 253 Coupe deserve to be remembered, celebrated, and driven.